स्मोकिंग इज इंजurious टू हेल्थ। धूम्रपान शरीर के लिए हानिकारक है। धूम्रपान शरीर जन्य क्षतिकारक।
Hey everyone, I am Somojit Ghosh. Today in this video we will do a case study of one of the most refined IT company in India, that is Infosys. We have already done a case study regarding Wipro, so this time we are taking Infosys. Let me tell you, Infosys was listed in the stock market in the year of 1993 at the price of rupees 95 per share. After that, the stock got 7 times bonuses and 1-time stock split. In this video we are going to discuss you how if you had invested little amount of money in like 100 shares in 1993, you could have gained 13 lakhs 8,672 rupees just by keeping the money investment and nothing more. So in this video we are going to show you that. So if you had bought 100 shares of Infosys in the year of 1993, today you would have owned 51,200 shares. Now let us analyze its bonuses and splits for the last 25 years. As it was released in the year of 1993, it had 100 shares, means you are holding 100 shares. In the year of 1994, the stock got split at the ratio of 1:1 on 30th June 1994. This made the shares of 100 shares into 200. Again in the year of 1997, it got again split in the ratio of 1:1 on 18th June 1997. Then the 200 shares become 400 shares. After that, in the year of 1990 time, the stock got split twice. The first was on 25th January and the second was on 30th November. On 25th January, it got split in the ratio of 1:1, making that 400 shares into 800 shares. Then again, it made the 800 shares into 1600 shares in the 2:1 split. On the year of 2004, it made 3:1 bonus split on 13th April, resulting in 6,400 shares from 1,600 shares. Again, in the year of 2006, it became 12,800 in the split of 1:1 on 14th April 2006. On 2014, again it got split in the ratio of 1:1 on 10th October, and those 12,800 shares became 25,600. In the year of 2015, it was again split in the ratio of 1:1, resulting to 51,200 shares. Now let us discuss the capital appreciation. Suppose you had bought this 100 shares in the year of 1993, your total investment would have cost you 100 shares into rupees 95, that is 9,500. Today the market price of one share of Infosys is rupees 1,181. So the net appreciated worth is rupees 1,181 multiplied by 51,200, resulting in 6 crore 4,77,200 worth over rupees 6.04 crores today. Your small investment of rupees 9,500 would have been rupees 6.04 crores in 25 years. Now let us not forget the dividends. In the last 25 years, Infosys has given decent dividends to its shareholders. For simplicity, let's calculate the dividends earned for the last 2 years only. For the last 2 years, here are the annual dividends are given by the Infosys to its shareholders. On 2016, it was rupees 24.26. In the year of 2017, it was rupees 25.56. Assuming that you have bought 100 shares of Infosys in 1993, it would have turned to be 51,200 by now. Now let us calculate the annual dividends. The dividend in the year of 2016 is equal to rupees 24.26 multiplied by 51,200, that is 12,42,112. In the year of 2017, it is again 25.56 multiplied by 51,200, that is 13 lakhs 8,672. So the dividends worth rupees 13 lakhs 8,672 in just 1 year. Can you just imagine? Now let's come to the best part. Even if you don't sell your shares, you can enjoy the dividend for the rest of your life, plus capital appreciation on your assets too. So as you have seen that Infosys is a great company and it has given its shareholders a bunch of amount of money. They can easily fulfill all their needs in their life. Infosys is just an example just as Wipro was. These two are not that great companies. There are more companies which give their shareholders a lot of amount of profit. So this was all about the video today. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, vote it down if you didn't, and for more such amazing videos, just subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Till next time, this is Somojit.